Today I am showing you a tutorial on the Slavic Doll makeup because winter's around the corner. I filmed this tutorial at 3 in the morning without glasses, so I am both sleep deprived and blind. Enjoy! We are starting off with a base, a bit of contour for the egg, yes, another contour, but this time it is cool with a fluffy medium-sized brush going down the nose bridge and then at the tip. Ooh, look at that jawline.
My name is Bella Hadid.
We only want to put a little bit on the back of the hand because it is very pigmented. The apples of the cheeks and then over the nose, so you give that, ooh, I just came out from the cold. Let's ignore that. We are going to pick those two shades and put it all over the eyelid. Using this light pencil, we are going to put it on our waterline, the inner corner of our eyes, and the outer corner to brighten the eyes as if we actually slept. I am adding this brown eyeshadow to act as a guide, so when I use the liquid eyeliner, it is a bit easier. We are going to create a delicate wing.
Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! Shut up, Patrick! Shut the fuck up!
Ooh la la. We are now going to curl our eyelashes. Using 2 coats of mascara, I like to clump the eyelashes together to give a doll look. The label has faded from using it so much. I have quite thick eyebrows, so I don't fill them in. I just brush them in a straighter angle to give a more innocent doll look effect. Moving on to the lips, a harsher line at the middle part of the lower lip, and then softly feather it inwards to find the cupid's bow and ever so slightly overline it. A reminder that I am actually blind doing this, so... My favorite part is the lip gloss. I just fill the whole lip. I'm so sleepy. Ooh!
Huh?
Adding a little bit to the lower lid on the inner corners, on the middle of the upper eyelid, and bringing it out. Right now it is a bit faint, but as it dries, you will see it shimmer, as you see here. I'm adding more sparkle because you can't have too much for a winter look.
Wow!
I'm adding highlighter to the tip of my nose,
Slay!
the bridge, the upper lip, a little bit on the chin, the eyebrow bone. My favorite part is adding the highlighter. I feel like it makes everything pop and I feel like a glowing fairy. The cheeks. My dumbass has that blurry. We're gonna shake, shake, and spray the entire face. Literally drowning in it. Then we're going to flap our little angel wings. And we're done.
Ladies and gentlemen, her.
I'll see you in the next video.